Good morning peeps, we are on day 3 of the PCT and we stopped last night at Lake Morena. We had a fantastic time. There was a guy called Scott who's just like a local guy, and he said to us, he came down and bought loads of tangerines for us PCT hikers and then took us all out on a little bit of a tour around the area, and it was just lovely, you know, such nice people. We all sat around the campfire. Give me those dogs. So I'm just waiting for Dinky Die to get her stuff together. I said I'll just go and start walking really slowly, so she's going to catch me up. Having a ball at the moment. Today we're looking to do about 12.5 miles. We're starting this hike slow. There's a little campsite called Cibbets farm or something like that, so that's where we're going anyway. Well, that's the idea. You never know what's going to happen though, do you? So let's wait and see. But so far so good. Loving the trail. Hope you're enjoying the videos, and I'll see you in a little while. Actually, while I'm waiting for Di, I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on some gear. So some things have gone wrong already. I had a thermo pocket, which is like an insulated pouch. The zip's broken on that already. My Thermarest X-Therm, last night I thought I had a puncture because I'd pumped it all up, and then when I went to bed it was all sort of flat, so I pumped it up again thinking I've got a slow puncture or something like that. But I woke up this morning, it was fine. So I think you just need to make sure you twist the valve fully on to make sure that no air can get out. So that's been quite cool. I've got a different sun hoodie on today because the first sun hoodie that I had, the Helly Hansen one, was just filthy, so that's in my pack. So this is my sleeping sun hoodie. So I'm going to wear this for the next 2 days. A lot of people have got like bright colours and patterns or a dark colour, and so I think I might swap it out, because actually being filthy is the thing that's getting me down the most. And I have showers here, 25 cents for 4 minutes in the shower. Awesome. Anyway, I'm waffling now because I'm waiting for Di, and I'll see you in a little while. 22 miles, 22 miles. Don't know if you can see that, that's wild turkeys. See that? Wild turkey with a dicky leg. I don't know how well this will come out in video, but these are like plastic. They're really strange. Trees. There's the trail. There's Dinky Die.
They had a really strong root system. Really strong.
Oh, weird.
And then I'll send her a message just because she's real keen. If they're going to go to...
You this can make it dramatic sketchy.
And, you know, have a bit of a
I'm going to take it pretty slow though, just because, right?
Yeah. This is Joey coming down, and the reason we're coming down this sketchy bit is because, if you can see, there's rivers we're meant to cross over there. So much for the desert, eh? It's so green! Let's get our shoes on because we've got to cross this river. Yeah. Well done, Di! You've got this. All right, just checking in. We are just over 6 miles in, and we've just seen Disco Pete, or Disco Daddy I should say, and Captain Cook. They didn't make it last night to Boulder Oak, so they didn't get their tag, but they're staying here, hopefully getting their tag at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then they're doing some night hiking, which is going to be interesting, different experience. We've literally Just swap arms. Just done our first river crossing. I can't remember the name of it, Canyon Creek or something like that, something beginning with C. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, that was an experience. It was frigging cold. But yeah, everyone got through safely, which is what it's all about. And those Skinner socks, I've worn them all the time. So yeah, enjoying it. This is the trail at the moment. And we're heading to Boulder Oaks where we're going to have an early lunch. He loves dogs.
I love dogs.
What an awesome spot to have lunch. Woo-hoo! Worth the climb. Are you going in?
I've definitely put my feet in.
So that's where we were for lunch. Some youngsters were standing on the top of there taking photos, but there's like, it looks a bit iffy to me. Just about to enter the unexploded military ordnance and the unexploded bombs. I'll try not to stand on them. Alright, just checking in. Ooh, I'm so tired and it's really, really hot. We've done 14.5 miles so far. We're literally just on the last little bit to Cibbets Yacht, I think it's called. Anyway, that's where we're camping tonight, and then we'll go back on the trail tomorrow. But it's been a really hard day. It feels like it's just gone up all day, and now we're going down so I can actually record. And it's been a little bit windy as well, and my microphone's not working, so I do apologise if it is windy. Hopefully you can hear me though. Right, I'll catch up with you when we actually get to the campsite. See you in a bit.